Hello students. So today we will study the new chapter 3, rational numbers. Okay. See this. Okay, rational numbers. So see what is rational numbers. Rational numbers. So any number which can be expressed in the form of p by q. So a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, this is the fraction form, such that a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, such that q is not equal to 0. Q should not be 0, and p and q have no common factor except 1. If p and q have no common factor except 1, then that number is called a rational number. So a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, such that q is not equal to 0, and p and q have no common factor except 1. That is called a rational number. Example you can take. So example of a rational number 3 by 5. See 3 by 5. Here the q place is 5 is not 0, and 3 and 5 have no common factor except 1. Only 1 is the common factor, and no other number other than 1 can divide both the number 3 and 5. So 3 by 5 is a rational number. Okay. So now we move to the next sum. Now we move to the exercise. Self practice 3a. Okay. Self practice 3a. First question: which of the following are not a rational number? First, a is equals to 2 upon minus 3, b equals to 7 by 8, c equals to minus 8 by 15, d equals to 0. Like this are the questions which are not the rational numbers. Okay. So okay. See the first question. 1a self practice 3a. We are going to do the question in self practice 3a. Okay. Now the first question. 1a. See that is 7 2 upon minus 3. 2 upon minus 3. 2 upon minus 3. Yes, this is the 2 upon minus 3. It is asked whether it is a rational number or not. So in this way, okay. So 2 upon minus 3, yes, it is expressed in the form of p by q, and q is not 0, so it is a rational number. It is a rational number. Okay. Now see this option which is not a rational number. So here second 7 by 8, yes, this is also b also 7 by 8 is a rational number because 7 and 8 have no common factor except 1, and minus 8 by 15, that is also 1. Now 0 is also a rational number because 0 can be expressed as 0 by any number. You can take 0 by 7. So 0 is also a rational number. But 0 by 0 form 5 by 0. See here, that is 5 by 0. 5 by 0 g. G is not a rational number. 5 by 0. This is not a rational number, not rational. Because q equals to 0. Because see the q is 0. So not rational. 5 by 0 is not rational. And the last is see h1h 0 by 0. The question 1h 0 by 0 is also not rational. So you see 1h 0 by 0 is also not rational. It is also not rational, but because here also the q is 0, So if q is 0 in the form of p by q, then it is not a rational. Okay. So we move to the next question. 2. Express the following in the form of p by q. Here is 4 is written, 2a 4 written. 2a question is 4. Express in the form of p by q. What right? 4 by 1. Right? 4 by 1. Now next 2 1 by 5. 2b you see 2 1 by 5. How you can express in the form of p by q? Convert into the proper fraction. 5 2s are 10. That is 5 multiply 2 plus 1 upon 5. That is 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11 by 5. Now see, you got the answer 11 by 5. This is the form of p by q, rational form. Okay. Now you see the question. C 2c 0 you can write 0 by 7, 0 by 1, any number you can write 2c in the rational form, 0 by 1 or 0 by 2 or 0 by 3, any number. Okay, now we move. Are these the rational numbers here? Are these rational numbers equivalent? See, 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12. So let us check the question number 3. Are these equivalent or not? So equivalent rational numbers means their value should be, after simplification, it should be the same. So, or we can say the equivalent rational numbers are the multiples of the original rational number. So question number 3 you see. So in the question number 3 we have the number 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 6 by 9. 2 by 3. Okay. So 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 6 by 9. 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 6 by 9, 8 by 12 minus 10 by 15. 8 by 12 minus 10 by minus 15. Okay. And after that minus 42 by minus 63. So minus 42 by minus 63. Yes, you see it is. Now if all are the multiples of 2 by 3, so we can say it is the equivalent rational number. Yes. See, 4 by 6 is the multiple of 2 by 3. 2 is multiplied, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, that is 4 by 6. Now 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Yes, it is also multiple. So this is the also equivalent, this is also equivalent. Now 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. So how you got this 8 by 12? So 8 by 12 is a multiple of 2 by 3. How many times? 4 times. Similarly, when you multiply 2 by 3, see what you are multiplying? Minus 5 to the limiter also, minus 5 to the limiter also. What you are getting? Minus 10 upon minus 15. See, minus 15 is also the equivalent rational number. Similarly, minus 42, minus 66. What you multiply into? What you multiply into, you get the minus 42. That is minus 21. Minus 21 to the minus 42. Here also you multiply minus 21. Then it will give you the minus 42 upon minus 53. Yes, all these are the equivalent rational number. In question 3, all these are the equivalent rational numbers. Okay. Now we move on to the next question. Is the number 17 by 40 equivalent to minus 34 by 80 or 34 by minus 80? So 17 by 40, the question is given for. Okay. See that question number 4. In this question number 4, 17 by 40. 17 by 40. And the two values which is given here, minus 34 by 80 or 34 by minus 80. Minus 34 by 80 or 34 by minus 80. Both are the same number. Okay, either you keep the minus on the numerator place or you keep minus on the denominator place. So these are the equal numbers. Okay. So whether these are the equivalent or not, this minus 34 by 80 or 34 by minus 80 is equivalent to 17 by 40 or not. Now see, 17 2s are, if you multiply 17 by 42, the denominator also to multiply by 2, what are you getting? 17 2s are 34, so multiply here minus 2 and here you are multiplying plus 2. Okay, see the difference? So if you are multiplying here minus 2, here also to multiply minus 2, then it will give minus 80 means again you are going to get the plus only. So this is not the equivalent. This is not the equivalent rational number. Okay, these are not equivalent. Similarly, which of the following decimal numbers is in standard form? 20 by 35 minus 18 by 30. So which is the first question you see here? A. Fifth A, standard form. 20 by 35. So 20 by 35 is not in the standard form. Because there is a factor which can divide both 20 and 35. Which number? That is 5. 5 4 is 25, 7 is 35. Means the SCF, if you are getting the SCF of the P and Q other than 1, this means it is not in the standard form. So this is not in the standard form. So how you convert it in the standard form? So divide this 20 and 35 by the SCF of these two numbers is 5. So 20 divided by 5 gives you 4, 35 divided by 5 gives you 7. 4 by 7 is not in the standard form. So first one, 20 by 35 is not in the standard form. Similarly, you see the B minus 18 by 30 minus 18 by 30. This is also not in the standard form because it is divisible by 2. Similarly, you check the others also. Okay. Question number 6. Identify the positive and negative rational numbers. Which is positive and which is negative rational number. So that you can find it very easily, which is positive and which is negative. If both the side there is minus, then also it is not positive. Here it is positive. So if you are getting such type of form, that you can take it as a positive because minus and minus. So division of minus with minus gives you the plus. So and this is the negative. This is also negative because numerator is minus and denominator is plus. So after dividing minus divided by plus, minus divided by plus gives you minus only. Okay, so this is all for today. In the next class we will do the remaining questions. So practice 3A. Other questions you do at your home. Others we will discuss in the next class, and 3B also we will start tomorrow. Okay, thank you for attention. This is all for